Okay, so the vegetables are steamed. They're getting really kind of soft. So I'm going to finish this up because it won't take long. There we go. Even the broccoli and the carrots and everything is pretty much cooked. So I am going to take the meat, which is leftover pork and chicken cut up in pieces, and put that in there. You see we've got a lot of liquid now on the bottom from steaming. So let's stir that up. I'm going to add arrowroot. Arrowroot has less calories and it thickens all this up like cornstarch. So let me add some more soy sauce. And when we eat this, we'll see if it's enough. Or we can always add more on the top as you eat it. Okay. So I'm gonna get the arrowroot ready. Let me turn up the heat. Okay. Arrowroot actually looks like cornstarch, but it has less calories, and it's made from a root vegetable, kind of like a carrot. So I'm going to put that in some cold water. Got a little bit left. Let's see if I need more in a minute. I might need more, make it a little thicker. Then you can eat this with rice or quinoa or whatever. I'm just going to have, I think, a bread biscuit with it. Okay, that takes care of, I think, that bag. And because this is a wok, which is kind of interesting, you only need to heat the meat since you don't have to cook it. And then spread this apart where you'll see all the liquid in the middle. And if you have to add more water, you can. Okay. There we go. Add a little bit at a time and see what it does. I'm also going to add my leftover gravy, which is also made with Worcestershire and soy sauce. So you have everything you can mix together and get rid of the leftovers and have a really healthy meal. Right. So there we are. It's getting thick. I need to add a little bit more water, I see. My grandma used to say, use everything. She never wasted anything. Okay. Now, let's see. I'll mix this together. I still have some liquid on the sides, but it's getting thick in the middle. And I can add a little bit more water. Ooh. And then you have a nice sauce to go over the rice or whatever. There we go. Let's see how it works. There we go, and it's getting thick. Okay, it's ready to eat. Just use whatever, bread, or there's a piece of cabbage. It's a little bit hard yet. But yeah, just use rice, quinoa. Quinoa is really some of the best because it has a lot of protein. And that's about it. It's ready to go. Ready to put on a plate over rice or whatever, however you want to eat it. Add more soy sauce for salt if you need it. Okay, that's it.